Students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the fifth chapter of Value Education. The name of the chapter is Learn to Forgive. So let's start. Shweta has many friends. She also has a younger brother. She forgives her friends whenever they hurt her sentiments. She also forgives her brother when he commits a mistake and asks her to forgive. Yes, Shweta has many friends. She also has a younger brother. She forgives her friends when her friends hurt her feelings or sentiments, and she also forgives her brother when he commits a mistake and also teaches him to forgive others. So now let's proceed. Forgiveness is a quality of God. It is a sign of love. Forgiveness brings peace of mind, happiness, and removes anger from the mind. Forgiveness also brings back friendship. There is also a proverb which says, to err is human, to forgive is divine. It means that all human beings make mistakes, but only a few who are like the God forgive. Forgiveness is a divine quality. Every religion teaches the importance of forgiveness. Yes, students, forgiveness is a quality of God. It shows love and affection for others. When you forgive someone, then it brings happiness and removes anger from your mind. Also, it saves our friendship. We all human beings make mistakes because we all are not perfect. But we should try to forgive others like God. Forgiveness is a divine quality. It means it is a delightful quality. Every religion teaches us the value of forgiveness. When we offend someone, we ask God for forgiveness. God forgives us when we make mistakes. We must also learn to forgive others. We should forgive all those who harm us. God will forgive us only when we forgive others. Yes, students, when we hurt someone or we annoyed someone, then we ask God for forgiveness. God also forgives us when we make mistakes. So we should also try to forgive others, because when we will forgive others, then God will forgive us. So students, now let's start a story. Ajit and Narang were in the same school. Once a cycle race was held in the school. Both Ajit and Narang were fighting for their first position in the race. Only one more round was left. All the other competitors were far behind. Ajit was leading and there were plenty of cheers from the spectators. Narang was angry and wanted to do something to defeat Ajit. It was certain that he could not overtake Ajit. Yes, it is a story about Ajit and Narang. Both were in the same school. Once there was a cycle race competition that was held in their school. Both wanted to achieve the first position in the race, and the last round was left. All the other competitors were far behind that they cannot reach the first position, and Ajit was leading, and also there were number of spectators who were shouted for the Ajit. Spectators means the people who were watching that event. Now Narang was very angry and he wanted to do something because he wanted to win the first prize. But it was certain that he could not overtake Ajit. Narang planned to fell Ajit by banging against his cycle from the back. He waited for the right time and with a great effort hit against the back wheel of his cycle. Ajit lost his balance and fell down on the ground. The spectators shouted angrily at Narang. Narang finished the race and won the first prize. Then he walked away to a lonely place and began to cry. Now Narang planned to fell Ajit, so he hit his cycle from the back. Ajit lost his balance and fell down on the ground. Also, the spectators started shouting. Narang finished the race and he won the first prize. After winning the first prize, he went to a lonely place and started crying. Just at that moment, Narang felt somebody's hand on his back. He looked back. It was Ajit, who had come to congratulate him and to tell him not to worry about the accident. Narang jumped up and embraced his friend, and all the spectators cheered both of them. Ajit forgave him and once again they became good friends. Yes, after that moment, Ajit came to Narang. Then Narang looked back. Ajit came there to congratulate him and Ajit told him that he should not worry about the accident. Then Narang jumped happily and hugged his friend, and also the spectators clapped for both of them. So in this way, Ajit forgave him and once again they became good friends. So children, you should also try to forgive others for their mistakes. When you forgive anyone, firstly you will feel happy, and forgive doesn't mean that you are afraid of him or her. Instead, it shows how big your heart is and it shows your love and affection for the others. So students, try to forgive others for their mistakes. I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you students.